Hi guys, I'm working on Hyprland here. So the advice is install anything Wayland related on not on virtual machine, never on virtual machine. Do not install NVIDIA proprietary drivers. And yes, from now on you can also say let's go to ZSH. That's a little alias we have. 2ZSH, 2bash is another one, and 2fish. So choose your shell basically. Topic of this video is more information about Hyprland. So if you go for Ctrl-Alt-G, I did run already the ArcoLinux Nemesis script, so I've got all my software available on this machine, but not all software will work on this machine. So ArcoLinux Hyprland playlist is indeed a good word to have a look at. So on YouTube we have all kinds of videos, but the thing is with YouTube, you need to figure it out how it works, and you don't search here, you search here on our channel, right? And here are the playlists, and then you go for Hyprland here. Maybe better type it in rather than scrolling down and looking for the playlist name, because if it looks like this, play all, then you know it's a playlist. So all the information that we've made available already for Hyprland is in here, and maybe there is something in here that you just want to figure out, right? Where do you find the information? Not necessarily on ArcoLinux. You just type in Hyprland. Let's see what we get. So the GitHub is one thing to bookmark, so add it to the list, and the other one is hyprland.org, which is a big website. Install Hyprland, some features, and yes, we have all these special effects that we can have, right? And then super Q, everything is killed again. So this is nice. This is this here. Easy configuration, get started, and more. So the get started probably something you want to have a click on, or you go up there and say Wall of Fame, maybe quick have a look. December 2022 Wall of Fame, and then the wiki. This is of course the one you need to visit. This is the one you need to read as well. It did not work for me, and it's still not working. So the search, unfortunately, on Hyprland wiki is not working. As you see, screen, enter, nothing happens. So yes, there is screen sharing here, but it's, I don't know, it seems somewhere, I don't know how it's really supposed to look and work. Key bindings. So you see that it's over supersedes and comes over the menu down here. Basically, I've read it all because the search wasn't working for me. So this is what you need to look and read for. If you have any questions, things that you want to change, learn about things, this is a very comprehensive way of looking at a desktop, right? A really long, big wiki. Now, one of the things that I started with is, I don't know, was it this one? There is a page that tells you what to actually use, right? We are on Wayland. We are noobs. We come from Xorg. We don't know anything about Wayland, so to speak. So we need to know what application actually work on Wayland still, and what others work 50-50 and others don't work at all. So there is an explanation here. Useful utilities, maybe must have wallpaper, screen sharing, app launchers, app clients. There are things in here that will set you, well, starting and say, okay, this works, that won't work. So there's a variety of choices. And as usual, what you need to do, you make choices. You need to tell, we're going to use this or that. Here are the environment variables that we define in our packages, and so on. So maybe this is something that you need for Qt variables, for NVIDIA things, and so on. So here it all is. This is your solution. That's actually one of the most important videos there is, right? Anything wrong, anything it's not working on your hardware, this is the place to look for it. Plus, of course, GitHub. So if you know, if you say, okay, why is this not working? Then somebody might have already made an issue for it. So issues, and you just see 858 already closed and 118 open. I mean, it's a work in progress, right? X-Wayland mouse is tiny one on the edge and so on. So people report things here. So you might experience something that's similar or the same, right? Then you go and have a look at two places, the GitHub, and have a look at the Hyprland wiki. If there is something we should change on our side in the configuration, just let me know and I will test it and change it. All right, that's an where to go, right? Where is the knowledge kind of video. I will put it online shortly. All right, cheers.